Here, forgive me the mess. Let me show you the shower head all the way up there. Well, very nice. Now, I'm gonna take my socks off. I don't want to get completely wet. Though it's gonna be hard not to. Oh boy. Can you see now? No color, of course. There is no light, so it shouldn't be any color. But oh, sorry, it wasn't this spray. Wasn't this spray? Okay. There's the shower, but right now it's on a cold water. No blue light, no nothing. Put one light off, nothing. Put both lights off, nothing. And so on. Now let's put in warm water. I still don't want to get wet. It's supposed to be halfway, kind of it, or something like. Nothing. This light off, nothing. This one off, nothing. And so on. Nothing. Try now with hot water. This with very hot water. Be really hot. But only a few seconds. So let's see if it's hot. It's warm. Getting hot. Getting hot. Getting hot. Okay, now it's too hot. No, it's too hot for me. Too close. Nothing. Let me get this focus a bit. No color. No color. No color. No color. No color. Alright, that's it. I guess we'll turn this off. Very nice. Alright. So, that's it. Guys just put a couple of days ago. I was hoping that would help the kids to know when it's too hot for them, just 5-year-old and a 7-year-old, and they need to know the kind of stuff. I don't like them to burn themselves. That's the main reason why I like this shower. Anyways, on to the one. So, you know, do what you can. I don't know what to do to fix, but it never works. Alright, bye bye.